Okay, so I wanted to share something that I found on this job, and I've seen it before. So this is a old style system sensor. It's horn strobe. So you can see it uses these little prongs right here. Those prongs slide down in these little gaps. And the troubles I've seen on these is the person will shove the wire so deep into there that it spreads the prongs, therefore it doesn't make good contact and cause intermittent troubles, or the prongs just get sprung like these right here. Whenever they're new, they're together, so you can push them together with a pair of needle nose, just kind of squeeze them. So that's one of the issues. And the other issue is, see how that's plastic inside there? People use a drill and then they'll tighten that down and completely strip that out so whenever they put the device up there, it intermittently goes into trouble. That's what I found on this job. So, see, that's the screw that goes in there. So the new one, it's got this style connector. The spring is just a spring in there, and also they've added that little brass bushing down in there. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. So you can't strip that out. Still don't use a drill. Use a screwdriver. And let's see here. I can show you what the back of these look like. See, it just has these little plates in there. And these push against those plates, so it's really a lot better design. Also, another feature they have now, so that you don't have to take the screw all the way out to take it out. You can just loosen it, go to the thing and pull it off. Whereas the old one, you had to unscrew the whole screw, which, you know, just a little bit of time here and there. Alright, I'll go ahead and share that. Your part number for a woman horn strobe P2WL. That's for a white one.